This is a video showing you how, as a teacher, you can use the Mindomo Mind Maps application inside of your Desire to Learn class site. So once you log in, you'll find that there is a Mindomo icon. You'll want to click on that. If you've never created an account, then you'll actually need to sign up and create an account first. So you can click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the information, including the name that you want to go by on the Mindomo site, your school board email address, and your password. I've already done this part, so I'm going to skip this. Once you have created the account, Mindomo will send you an email to your school board email address to make sure that you want to activate the account and make sure that they have the right person. And now I'm ready to go into my class site and begin to use this tool. So go ahead and select your class site or your course. And we will want to put this into the content area, or if you like the class subjects, same thing. This is where this is going to go. It's going to go under the content of your course. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into programming. And I would like it to be a part of my basic programming sub-unit or sub-module. And what I'm going to do is so that's where it's going to go. So I'm going to go back and make sure I'm on programming, and I'm going to pick an existing activity. So you need to click on the Add Existing Activities button, and it's actually an external learning tool. From the list, I'm going to pick Mindomo. And right away, what gets created is a Mindomo assignment. You can go ahead and click on that. And Mindomo opens for you. And I think the easiest and the simplest way to stay organized as a teacher from one year to the next or one semester to the next is actually to create a new course. So inside of Mindomo School, I'm going to go to Courses. And I'm going to create or start a new course. And a window pops up, and you can then go ahead and put your information in about what you want the course to be called. And then click on Start Course. Now your course has been created, and if you click on People, you actually don't have any students. The simplest way right now is to just go ahead and copy that access code and provide that access code to your students, whether you do it through the news or you do it through on your whiteboard or in their agenda books. However you do it, you provide that access code so that they can join your course. Next, click on Assignments and create a new assignment. And if you scroll up, you'll see that there's actually a spot here for you to put in the assignment title. So I'm giving this a title. And I also have a spot here to put a description in. And I think, of course, you can copy and paste learning goals, success criteria, any instructions you have. Just to save time, I'm putting in a quick description. And I'm going to leave the default settings. This is going to be an individual mind map, but there are settings for you to, in fact, have a mind map that is collaborative and with even certain groups, or to provide one for them. So I'm just going to leave the defaults, and I'm going to click on Add Assignment. Okay, so that assignment has now been created inside my Desire to Learn content area. And if I go back to basic programming, by clicking across the top, I can see there is my Mindomo mind map assignment. It's not worded very well. It's going to be hard for students to find the assignment if they're all called Mindomo. So if you click on the down arrow, there is an option to edit properties in place, and then just to go ahead and put in a new title. And then just hit enter, and that has now been changed. So that's basically it in terms of what the teacher needs to do to set up that assignment in Mindomo. My next step would be to provide that access code for the Mindomo course in some way and have my students log into D2L, go to the content or subjects area, click on the assignment, and begin to do the assignment and join the course. There is a second video that shows what it looks like from the student's point of view and the process that the students would go to. So please watch the next video on that part.